Richa says, how can I overcome the fear of the unknown when transitioning from a predictable job to an unpredictable business venture? Richa, I want to tell you, yes, jobs are predictable and entrepreneurship is totally unpredictable because you don't know what is happening, every day. So I want to tell you that things are only unknown to you till the time you have not done your homework. The moment you do your homework, you are never in that unknown zone, but have the know-how of a lot of things. So the first thing that I would want you to do is to do your research. I would want you to research about your industry. I would want you to research about the market trends, the competitors, and the more informed you are about your competitors, about your industry, about your market trends, the less intimidating things would be for you. And it will further reduce the uncertainty that is there in your mind. Right? The second thing that I would want you to do is to break down things. Whenever you have a big thing, the moment you break it down into smaller, manageable steps, you know what is it that you need to focus on. Otherwise, we keep on fearing and worrying about everything around us. But you need to remember that you can only focus on those things that you can control, whatever are the controllables. Rest of the things are anyway not in your hand. Another important aspect, Richard, that I want to tell you is that entrepreneurship involves learning through action. So embrace learning. See that the unknown in front of you is an opportunity for you to grow, an opportunity for you to adapt, an opportunity for you to develop new skills. So build a support system around you. Surround yourself with people who are growth oriented, who are growth minded like you, and get that experience from those people. The moment you are prepared, the moment you have done your homework, you will never have that fear of unknown. And how do you completely eliminate that fear of unknown is by taking consistent action every day. Start with small, low risk steps because that would help you to build momentum and confidence. And the more you move forward, the less scary that unknown will become for you. So I hope this helps you. And I would want to know from you that which of these things you are going to follow in your entrepreneurial journey. Let me know in the comment section.